Welcome to my unboxing video. It's on the EEEE16 value 250 piece and their diodes and Zener diodes. This just came in the mail. I'll show you what I got here. Just open. All right, there's 2 packs. I'm gonna set this aside. We got 2 packs of diodes here, a little card, just product information. There's really nothing on this. Probably get on their website and get some more information. Let's see what we've got here. Let's turn these right side up. Okay, it looks like these are all the different diodes. And I'll just try to talk about these individually for just a second. And the way these are arranged, here's your kit. Okay, here's the diodes in here. And you can see each of these little diodes has a band on it, and that's the negative side of the diode. And so your first, it looks like they've got several different rectifier diodes. These are typically used for conversion from AC to DC circuits. And then it looks like here's the part number, the actual industry number. You can look online and find out detailed information about these spec sheets. So this is a 1 amp, 50 volt, and there's 30 of those. And you can see the voltage just increases. That's talking about the reverse voltage, the maximum voltage it will handle before it breaks down. So that's important for the application. Then the current increases. So as you get down here, these start carrying more current. And so it depends on what you're rectifying. I'll just show you one of the diodes real quick. Let me get one out. They all kind of look the same. They're not really very distinctive. You've got some markings on there. It tells you the part number and then your band. But that's pretty much all there is to the diodes. Very exciting. Okay, now the second batch over here. Let's see what else got in it. Okay, it's a switching diode. And it looks like 0.2 amp, 100 volts, 10 pieces. Okay, this is going to be for signaling. Carrying signals, like a fast recovery is here also. This is for, they switch on and off faster. And so you're going to be able to do higher frequency circuits with it than just the typical rectifier diode. Now the Schottky diodes, these come in different amperage settings, different voltage settings. Those are all 20 to 40 volt. And these operate at a lower forward bias. It's around 0.3 volt, if I remember correctly, as opposed to 0.7 for most diodes. So it can be more efficient, requires less energy to use. And then the Zener diodes, these are diodes, these are basically voltage regulators. Like you would use this to make a power supply that delivers 5.1 volts and half a watt. And this would be for a 12 volt power supply. And eventually I'm going to do some videos on that, try to explain that a little bit. Let's see, there's your diodes. Let's just get ones out and show the difference. So there's your Zener diode. These are little glass. Probably hard to see in this video, but these are little glass diodes in there. These are used for voltage regulators. Well, I hope you got a little bit out of this and learned what's in this kit. And I do want to thank you for watching and stay tuned. And my plan is to do some experiments with some of these. Thank you.